So hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you how to use Move tool in Photoshop. So let's get started. Roll the intro. So now open Word Photoshop.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So select an image. Then you can see Move tool is located in the Tools menu at the top left corner. Here. So you can jump to Move tool by pressing V. If you are on the another tool, let's say Brush tool. If you are on the Brush tool or any other tool, you can simply press V to jump on it. You can see here I am on the Move tool. So before using Move tool you have to press and unlock it from here. So you have to unlock it. So now we can move it anywhere we want. So now select an new document here from to where we had to paste it. Simply drag and drop it here and drag it. If you want same here, copy one. So press Alt and then drag it. Simple, very simple. If you want another, drag it. Now if you want to the next option in Move tool is, so in order to use align options, so in order to use alignment you have to select two or more images. Press Shift, then select it. Two objects like this, and press on Align option. You can see here it is aligned by itself. So thank